have arrived at Carolina Pines in South Carolina, and this place is incredible. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, kids would be so excited, but adults too. There's so much that's going on. First thing we're gonna do is hit up the water park because it looks so much fun. So, let's go.
Are you gonna try that, Kai?
I'm just looking at the drink menu and I'm like, and there's one called the spicy mango chelada, lime, mango, and a spritz of heat.
Ooh.
Sounds really good, right? I taste the beer, and then I taste the spice and the sweetness at the same time. It's really good.
Good morning, everyone, from beautiful South Carolina. And today, there's a few exciting things happening. First of all, today is the annual Chili Chowder Cook Off, and I am a judge.
And in first place, taking home $150, was number 4.
She stirred it.
Ooh.
She stirred it. She did it.
Congratulations.
Way to go, sweetheart.
Way to go.
How does it feel? How does it feel to win?
Feels awesome.
I can't believe she did it. She stirred.
Yeah.
It's all in the stirring. It's all in the stirring, and she did all the stirring.
Just finished the Chili Chowder Cook Off. I like even saying that. It was a lot of fun. It tasted a lot of chili, a lot of chowder, and a big variety, I would say, in spice level and texture and smells. There's definitely a big difference between an amateur and an expert or seasoned chili and chowder maker. I'm really thankful that I was a judge. That was extra fun. It was fun to be part of the voting selection, and my 2 top 3s took home prizes, which was pretty good.
After a 20-minute shuttle from Carolina Pines, we have arrived at the Carolina Pines Beach Resort, and it is so nice. It's nice to be at the ocean, and it's dolphin season, which means you can see them quite often. So I'm keeping my eye out. I've been in the rocking chair, rocking back and forth with the breeze on my face. It feels so nice, and just enjoying the beautiful day. A very relaxing, beautiful day.
There's tons of cool shells here. And I think that there's also shark teeth you can find. But yeah, I want to find one, and then I'll leave it here. But I want to find one. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Hopscotch Roadmap. Be sure to watch the next episode where our family road trips to a new destination. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming videos.